Hello everyone, welcome back in the next video of functional programming series. Implement map on a prototype. As you have seen from applying array.prototype.map or simply map, earlier the map method returns an array of the same length as the one it was called on. It also doesn't alter the original array as long as its callback function doesn't. In other words, map is a pure function and its output depends solely on its input plus it takes another function as its argument. You might learn a lot about the map method if you implement your own version of it. It is recommended you use a for loop or array.prototype.for each. Task for this challenge: write your own array.prototype.mymap, which should behave exactly like array.prototype.map. You should not use the built-in map method. The array instance can be accessed in the mymap method using this. We have a new array and we have a callback. In this case, a function is passed which will return two times of the item. We will simply use loop here for let I equal to 0, I less than call back in this case this. Let's first see what we will get if we console.log this. We get the array containing each element. For let I equal to 0, I less than this dot length I plus plus, and here afterward we will pass use the new array dot post, and inside that we will pass callback and this I. Let's run the test and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.